3.
Happy birthday, Lola! Kiss mo sila. Happy birthday, Lola! I love you!
Love you too! Sige yan.
Love you!
Love you.
Who's that?
Sino?
Anak ni Kwan. Tumawag siya?
They send it.
Happy
Ah, si Kwan. Anak ni Pink. Ano ba? Sino yun? Yung batang anak ni Makmak?
Anak ni Kwan.
Ay, ni Ran. Ang laki na.
Kiss.
Kamukha niya ng maliit, ano?
I
Oh, yung video. No.
Yung
I
yung
don't wanna
iba.
dis-
Sige,
I don't want
ano
them to
nga.
discover
Yung
my
iba.
beautiful face.
Yung iba.
May cake pa kayo.
Thank you for my cake. Did you taste it?
Did you get that one?
Yes.
Alright.
Ito naman.
Okay.
Okay. Ano pa?
Yun ang
Oh,
mag-dito
yun
nyo.
lang.
Mom, did you send it to her
Tapos-
iPad?
Ha?
Did you send all those videos to her
Yeah,
iPad?
to
Sige,
the
sige,
iPad.
now.
It will get it. And then, let's see. Si Bimbo, nag-send siya ng mga greetings sa inyo, di ba? Tapos, yeah, hindi. Tsaka, ito daw ang paborito. Are you taking this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saan ba yun? Wait.
What?
Asan na yun?
Baka katuguman. Alin niya favorite ko? Kasi sabi ni Bimbo.
Hindi. Sabi ko, mag-send sila ng favorite na picture.
Oh.
Ang sinend niya,
Wait.
saan na yung
I bet they're trying to get data. Watch this.
paborito niyo?
Hey, watch this.
Oh, saan na ba yun?
Pamangkin.
Let go of my hands.
Saan na yun? Let me see.
Alright,
Saan?
you ready?
No, you can't pick me up, man.
Ano na?
Week.
See?
Saan na? Ano yun?
I can pick my mom up.
Good.
I'll pick you up. No, you can't.
I see so much.
I'll send it to you.
Oh yeah, because I was
Okay,
showing
okay,
my
go,
friends,
go.
see if she played Overwatch,
It's in your iPad.
but like
Pinali ka na!
she didn't.
Okay.